Have you ever wondered if something hidden inside you could be quietly stealing your health? Today, Dr. Barbara O'Neill is here to reveal the truth about an unseen enemy that might be living within you: parasites. These microscopic invaders could be the root cause of fatigue, digestive issues, or even mysterious illnesses you just can't explain. But don't worry, because in today's video, Dr. O'Neill will uncover the natural remedies you can use to take back control and cleanse your body. Stay tuned. The answers might just surprise you.
Hello everyone and welcome. Today we're diving into a fascinating yet often overlooked topic: parasites. These tiny invaders can quietly take up residence in our bodies, causing a range of health issues from persistent fatigue to digestive discomfort and even more serious conditions. But the good news is, nature has provided us with powerful tools to combat them. In this session, we'll explore how parasites affect your health, how to recognize the signs of an infestation, and most importantly, the natural remedies you can use to cleanse your body safely and effectively. Together, we'll uncover the steps to restore balance, vitality, and well-being. Let's get started.
Now, imagine a tiny powerhouse, a natural remedy that has been used for centuries to target and eliminate unwanted invaders from the body. It's small, unassuming, and often overlooked, yet it holds the secret to disrupting parasite life cycles and restoring balance to your system. Curious? Let's uncover what makes this humble ingredient so powerful.
Let's talk about one of nature's most remarkable remedies for cleansing the body: clove tea. Cloves, those tiny aromatic buds you might use in cooking, are actually a potent tool for targeting parasites. You see, cloves contain a compound called eugenol, which has powerful antimicrobial and antiparasitic properties. But what's truly fascinating is that cloves don't just eliminate adult parasites, they're also highly effective at destroying parasite eggs, something that many treatments overlook. This makes clove tea an essential part of any natural parasite cleanse. Now, making clove tea is simple. Here's how you do it. Start by taking 1 teaspoon of freshly ground cloves. Freshly ground is key because it ensures the active compounds are at their strongest. Bring a cup of water to a gentle boil, then add the ground cloves. Let it simmer for about 5 minutes, allowing the water to absorb the potent oils from the cloves. Strain the tea into a cup, and it's ready to drink. I recommend drinking this tea once or twice a day for about a week. But remember, cloves are quite strong, so listen to your body. If it feels too intense, you can dilute it or have it less frequently. Clove tea is not just cleansing, it's also rich in antioxidants, which help support your body's healing as you rid yourself of parasites. It's simple, effective, and a wonderful example of how natural remedies can work with your body to restore health. Give it a try. You might be surprised by how much better you feel.
Next, we turn to an ancient remedy with a bitter twist. It's a drink that's been revered for generations, known for its ability to purge the body of unwanted intruders. Its potency lies in its unique natural compounds, which not only target parasites but also support your digestion and overall health. Are you ready to uncover the secret behind this powerful elixir?
Now let's explore a fascinating herbal remedy with a bit of a bitter kick: wormwood tea. Wormwood has been used for centuries as a natural cleanser, particularly for addressing parasites. This powerful herb contains active compounds like thujoin and santonin, which have been shown to disrupt the nervous systems of parasites, helping to expel them from the body. But wormwood doesn't just stop there. It also supports the digestive system by stimulating bile production, which aids in breaking down food and maintaining a healthy gut environment. This makes it a perfect ally in restoring balance to your internal ecosystem. Here's how you can prepare wormwood tea. Start with 1 teaspoon of dried wormwood leaves. Because wormwood is quite potent, a small amount goes a long way. Bring a cup of water to a boil, then remove it from the heat. Add the wormwood leaves to the hot water. Let it steep for about 5 to 10 minutes, depending on how strong you want the tea to be. Strain the liquid into a cup, and it's ready to drink. Now, I must warn you, wormwood tea has a naturally bitter taste, but that bitterness is part of its strength. If the flavor is too intense, you can balance it with a touch of honey or a squeeze of lemon. For best results, drink 1 cup of wormwood tea daily for up to a week. However, because it's so powerful, it's essential not to overuse it. Too much wormwood can be harmful, so always use it with care. Wormwood tea is a remarkable example of how nature provides solutions for even the most stubborn challenges. With its potent properties, it works to cleanse your body and restore vitality, helping you feel your best from the inside out.
Our next remedy is a surprising blend of sweetness and power. Often discarded or overlooked, this ingredient holds a unique ability to cleanse and rejuvenate. Its secret lies in enzymes so potent they can break down even the toughest invaders. Curious to find out what it is? Let's uncover the mystery behind this natural powerhouse.
Let's now dive into a truly remarkable ingredient that's often discarded but holds immense healing power: papaya seeds. These tiny seeds, which we often throw away without a second thought, are packed with natural compounds that are incredibly effective at cleansing the body, especially when it comes to ridding yourself of parasites. One of the key components in papaya seeds is an enzyme called papain. Papain helps break down proteins and can target and dissolve parasite proteins, essentially helping to flush them out of your digestive system. But it doesn't stop there. Papaya seeds also contain alkaloids like carpain, which act as natural toxins to parasites, ensuring that they are removed from your body safely and effectively. The best way to consume papaya seeds is in a smoothie. Here's how you can make one that not only tastes great but also helps cleanse your system. First, scoop out 1 tablespoon of fresh papaya seeds from a ripe papaya. These seeds have a mild peppery flavor, but don't worry, they'll blend well in a smoothie. Next, combine the papaya seeds with half a cup of fresh papaya flesh. Papaya is packed with vitamins and antioxidants, which support the healing process and work synergistically with the seeds. Add 1 cup of coconut milk for a smooth, creamy texture. Coconut milk also supports digestion and adds a pleasant sweetness. To balance the flavors, you can add a touch of honey or another natural sweetener if desired. Blend everything together until smooth. This smoothie is delicious and refreshing, but the real magic is in its ability to support your body's natural detox process. Drink this smoothie once a day for 3 to 5 days to allow the papaya seeds to do their job. While you're cleansing, the papaya seeds will help kill parasites, improve digestion, and even boost your immune system. The combination of papaya and coconut milk also supports gut health and provides essential nutrients that nourish your body as it heals. It's a gentle, natural way to cleanse your system without harsh chemicals or synthetic remedies. The best part? It's a smoothie that you can enjoy every day. You'll love how it tastes, and your body will thank you for the benefits it brings.
As we continue on this journey of natural healing, our next drink brings a burst of freshness with a tangy twist. It's a drink known for its ability to detoxify and soothe, while also helping to create an internal environment that is less hospitable to parasites. This simple yet potent elixir could be just what your body needs. Let's see what makes it so powerful.
Now, let's dive into a drink that's been used for centuries for its healing properties: ginger and lemon tonic. This simple combination of ingredients may seem humble, but don't be fooled. Together, ginger and lemon pack a powerful punch when it comes to supporting your digestive system and cleansing the body of unwanted parasites. Let me explain why this tonic is so effective. First, let's talk about ginger. Ginger has been used for thousands of years in traditional medicine, and for good reason. It has a powerful ability to stimulate digestion, which is crucial when you're working to expel parasites from your body. But it doesn't stop there. Ginger also has natural antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties. These help reduce inflammation in the gut, which can often be irritated by parasites, and they also support the immune system to keep your body strong and resilient. Additionally, ginger helps improve circulation, which aids in the transport of nutrients and removes waste more effectively from your body. This makes it an ideal ingredient for cleansing and maintaining a healthy gut environment. Next, we have lemon, which is just as powerful. Lemons are rich in vitamin C, a potent antioxidant that supports the immune system and helps the body detoxify naturally. When consumed in water, lemon creates an alkaline environment in the stomach. Parasites often thrive in acidic environments, so lemon helps to shift your gut's pH to one that's less inviting for them. Lemons also help flush out toxins and promote the production of bile, which is crucial for the digestive process and for breaking down fat. With its natural detoxifying qualities, lemon works synergistically with ginger to enhance your body's ability to eliminate waste and harmful invaders. Now let's get into how you can make this powerful ginger and lemon tonic. It's incredibly easy, and I recommend incorporating it into your daily routine to support your cleansing process. Here's how you prepare it. 1. Start by cutting about a 2-inch piece of fresh ginger root. You'll want to use fresh ginger because it contains the active compounds like gingerol that provide its therapeutic benefits. 2. Slice the ginger into thin pieces to maximize the surface area, as this helps extract more of the beneficial oils and compounds when steeped. 3. Add the ginger slices to a cup of hot water, but not boiling just before the water reaches a boil. The hot water will help release all of ginger's active compounds into the water. Let it steep for about 5 to 10 minutes, depending on how strong you want the flavor. 4. After the ginger has steeped, squeeze half a lemon into the cup. Make sure to include the juice from the lemon's pulp, as it's packed with antioxidants and other nutrients. Stir it gently, and your ginger and lemon tonic is ready to drink. If you find the taste of ginger a little too intense, you can always add a teaspoon of honey to balance out the flavors. Honey also has its own set of healing properties, as it's antimicrobial and can soothe the digestive tract. I recommend drinking this tonic once or twice a day. You can start in the morning to give your digestive system a gentle boost and continue throughout the day to help keep your body in balance. It's an excellent way to kickstart your digestive system and help your body naturally expel toxins and parasites. This ginger and lemon tonic not only supports parasite cleansing but also boosts your overall digestive health, keeps your immune system strong, and gives your body the energy it needs to function at its best. By drinking this simple natural tonic regularly, you are giving your body the tools it needs to maintain a healthy internal environment, one that's less inviting to parasites and more supportive of your well-being. I'm confident you'll find this drink as refreshing and beneficial as I do. It's an easy, natural way to support your body's health, one sip at a time.
As we approach the final drink in our journey of natural cleansing, we arrive at a refreshing and unexpected remedy. This last elixir is packed with potent properties that have been used for centuries to support the body's defenses and flush out unwanted invaders. It's not only gentle but also incredibly effective, bringing balance and harmony to your system. What is it? Let's uncover the magic behind this final drink.
Our final drink today is a truly rejuvenating and detoxifying green juice made with 2 incredibly potent herbs, parsley and cilantro. This green juice is not only refreshing but also a powerful ally in cleansing the body and supporting overall health, especially when it comes to flushing out toxins and parasites. Let me explain why this drink works wonders for your body. First, let's talk about parsley. Most people think of parsley as just a garnish, but it's so much more than that. Parsley is packed with vitamins A, C, and K, and is a natural diuretic, helping your body flush out excess fluids and toxins. It's also rich in chlorophyll, which is a powerful detoxifier that helps cleanse the blood and liver, both of which play key roles in expelling toxins from your body. Parsley also contains essential oils that help with digestion and can even soothe an irritated gut, important when you're working to cleanse your system. Next we have cilantro, another herb that's an absolute powerhouse when it comes to detoxification. Cilantro is known for its ability to bind to heavy metals in the body and help expel them through the urine. This process, called chelation, helps to cleanse your body of harmful toxins, including metals that may be accumulated over time. Cilantro also helps promote healthy digestion by stimulating the production of digestive enzymes and bile, which are crucial for breaking down food and absorbing nutrients. And when combined, parsley and cilantro create a dynamic green juice that supports detoxification, parasite cleansing, and overall gut health. Here's how you can make it. 1. Ingredients: a handful of fresh parsley, a handful of fresh cilantro, 1 cucumber, 1 to 2 celery stalks, 1 small green apple for a touch of sweetness, the juice of half a lemon, a small piece of fresh ginger optional for added digestion support. 2. Preparation. Start by washing all your ingredients thoroughly. Cut the cucumber, celery, and apple into smaller pieces that can easily fit into your juicer. Add all the ingredients into the juicer and process until smooth. Finally, squeeze the juice of half a lemon into the mix for that refreshing zing and added detoxifying power. This green juice is incredibly hydrating and full of nutrients that support your body's natural detox processes. It's the perfect drink to enjoy in the morning or during the day as a gentle cleanse for your system. I recommend drinking this juice at least once a day, especially if you're looking to support your body in flushing out toxins, heavy metals, and parasites. The combination of parsley and cilantro helps detoxify and alkalize the body, making it a great addition to any cleanse. It also provides a natural boost of energy thanks to the high vitamin content and antioxidants in the herbs, cucumber and apple. Plus, it's a wonderful way to hydrate your body, which is essential when you're detoxifying. This green juice is a simple, natural and highly effective way to support your body's internal detox system. It's light, refreshing, and packed with powerful ingredients that work together to create a healthier, cleaner you. It's a delicious, nourishing way to support your body's natural cleansing process, and your body will thank you for it.
As we wrap up today's journey, we've explored 5 incredible drinks that can help cleanse your body, support your digestive health, and give your immune system the strength it needs to stay resilient. Each of these natural remedies holds the power to assist in detoxifying your body and creating an environment where parasites and toxins have no place to thrive. Remember, healing starts from within, and with the right tools, you can support your body's natural processes to feel better, stronger, and more energized.
Thank you for joining me today and learning about these amazing natural drinks. I encourage you to incorporate these into your routine and listen to your body as it heals and rejuvenates. Whether it's the power of papaya seeds, the warmth of ginger and lemon, or the cleansing force of parsley and cilantro, these remedies are here to support you. Take small, consistent steps, and your body will thank you. Remember, nature has provided us with everything we need to stay healthy, and it's always best to listen to the wisdom of the earth. Take care, and I'll see you next time with more tips on how to live your healthiest life.
Until next time, stay well, stay healthy, and keep nourishing your body with nature's gifts.